of our 3-phase 2-basket fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 15.5 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height of 44 inches tall. Height minus the splash, we have 34.5 inches tall. Included will be 2 removable baskets, and each basket will measure 6.5 inches in length, 13.25 inches in depth, by 6 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 2 baskets. Beneath the baskets will be a removable plate, and below are your burners. Coming to the front will be on and off along with the indicator. Going to the inside of your fryer, we have the valve inlet, 2 fuses, adjustable gauge, along with your indicator. Coming to the right side of the fryer will be your ETL certification, along with the 3-phase and voltage information. Installation and operation manual will also be included with this fryer. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.